Annyeonghaseyo, Jisrael.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so absent ka karon
응.
tungod kay na paakan.
응.
Nagpa-inject ka no kay na paakan kag iro.
응.
Okay. So Jisrael beaten by a dog. Na siya rabies siguro no. Ano sa nga iro anang laag lang or inyo ha?
Ano na naman sa likod?
Aras. Okay, so just to make sure nga secure, nagpa-inject ka karon.
응.
Aras. Okay. So you going to eat this 2 packs of chokes to go for you. 2 and also choco pie 3 tong for you also. Anya mag-take kag video ana inday ha while nagkaon ha.
응.
Aras. And that is from Kim Sarangnim.
Uncle Kim Sarang님, 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
So, Irami ma'am. So, Irami, nasa school na? Tuwa na? Tuwa na sa school. Okay. Choco Minim gives Irami 1 box of ramen and also her allowance, 1,000 pesos.
Chukuminim.
Kamsahamnida.
Kamsahamnida.
Okay, mag-take lang video si Irami. Kaya inig-abot niya. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, annyeonghaseyo. So this is Zinab. So I will promote her to level 2. Now she is level 1, then I will I will let her go to level 2. Then I will test her first if she can read. Ready. Okay, please read, Zinab.
She runs to school every day and bikes to the park on
On
weekends.
weekends. Okay, makabasa ra ka no dayon. I-translate daw kung makasabot ra ba ka.
Dagan siya sa eskwelahan taga-adlaw. Mag-bike siya ato sa park sa taga-kuan.
Unsa na weekends?
Sabado Domingo.
Okay, sige, number 2.
Alex did his homework and then played on his computer for 3 hours. Si Alex kay nagbuhat siyang assignment. Kahuman nagduwa siya og computer 3 ka oras.
Okay. Okay, Sinab can understand and read well. For English words. Okay, I will promote her to level 2. Okay, congrats, Sinab. Okay, tomorrow, you're already level 2. Okay.